Hey, hi and hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And guys, today in this video, we are going to do an unboxing of one Wi-Fi camera. Actually, it's a security camera. The brand is Trueview. Actually, this camera now today we are going to do an unboxing. Plus, we are going to do that beginning steps, means beginning setup. Also, we are going to complete in this video actually. Okay. And guys, here you can see actually this Trueview brand is Trueview 2MP Wi-Fi robot pan tilt camera. Actually guys, this camera cost is 899 rupees in Flipkart. Actually, you can purchase this product in Flipkart and Amazon too. The price may vary, depends upon some kind of festival offers, plus like kind of some credit cards offers and all. The price may vary at time to time. And okay guys, I have purchased this cost at rupees 899 rupees. I have purchased this camera actually in Flipkart. Actually, you can see the camera resolution is 2MP and it supports Wi-Fi. Both pan and tilt is there, and not only that, here you can see two-way talk is there. Actually, both like mic and speaker is there, and here you can see pan and tilt. 3 night vision mode is there. Like here you can see IR mode. It's just kind of a black and white, and it is a smart mode. Actually, you can see it's just like a detection showing, and here's the full color mode. There's a 3-way mode is there in night. Not only that, human tracking is there. It will detect if there is any motion is there, means while surveilling. Okay, and there is a mobile app is there guys, to view this playback video and all. And this camera will support up to 256 GB. It's a SD card support only, 256 GB, or else there is a cloud storage option is also there guys, for this camera actually. And push notification alert is also there, like what means if there is any motion, means it will trigger alert through app with picture, snapshot and video. And here you can see both audio and video it will get support guys. Not only video, both audio including video also it will get support. 2MP video along with high quality audio recording for excellent AV playback. And okay guys, let's come on, it's now time to do this unboxing. Actually, you can see it is made in Bharat, made in India product. Cloud recording is there, and there's two apps it will support actually, and one in Android and another in iOS. Both Android and iOS support is there guys. Okay, let's come on guys, it's now time to do this unboxing. I need to remove this tip first actually. And guys, here you can see finally I have removed this tape. Just we will open this box. Let's see what are the things they have given inside this. So I'm going to take this out first. Let's see what are the things they have given inside this. Actually, you can see it's a power adapter with the type C cable for this camera actually. And here you can see I think it is for more wall mounting purpose. Okay, that's it. Just keep this aside. And next thing is, I think it's a camera. Come on, it's not coming out. Yeah, there's two boxes there guys actually. Just I need to remove this box first. Let's come on, take this out. You can see here's the camera guys, Trueview camera actually. Just we need to take this out. It's came, and there is nothing inside this box guys other than the camera. Okay, you can see here's the Trueview camera, pan and tilt support is there. What they have given, product code and smart 2MP pan and tilt robot camera. Okay, it's good. And here you can see guys, here's the reset button is there, and we need to insert its SD card here it seems. Okay, and where is the power? Yeah, here we need to connect this type C. You can see like this we need to connect. It's good. Okay, it's good. Okay guys, let's come on, it's now time to do the setup. Okay, let's keep this camera aside, and I need to take one box first. Okay, let's come on, just I need to remove this rope first. take this out and you need to connect it here. Just we need to give a power supply actually. Okay, let's keep this here. Okay, let's come on. Now it's time to turn on the camera, guys. Here you can see there is a light, guys. Actually, here you can see. I think it is for night vision. It seems there is some LED light is glowing up. Okay, let's keep this. Actually, here you can see it's rotating.
Please configure the network.
Yeah, it's asking to configure the network. Okay, let's come on. Just we need to configure that. Actually, guys, here you can see is the Truecloud Android app we need to download. Whether you're using iOS means you can download through App Store. If you're using Android means you need to download through Play Store. Actually, I'm using Android only, guys. Just I'm going to download this through Play Store itself. Just type Truecloud. And here you can see here's the Truecloud app. Just click to install it app. It's installing. Just please wait. So you can see finally we have installed this app. Now it's time to open this. Okay, you can see it's asking email login or OTP login. Okay, just I'm going to give a OTP login only. Just I need to enter my mobile number first. And guys, finally I have logged in through mobile number. You can use your email account also, guys, no issues. Okay, just I'm going to click add a camera and need to, here you can see it's asking to open a location permission. Need to open the location used to obtain nearby Wi-Fi information to complete the device. Okay, just click open. Okay, I need to turn on Bluetooth. Just click turn on.
A device to be added has been found. Please click the add button to add the device.
Network camera, finally it got detected. Just click to add.
Please select 2.4G Wi-Fi.
Okay, actually 5 GHz it will not support, guys. You need to use 2.4G only. Okay, I need to enter my Wi-Fi passcode.
Please confirm the.
Okay, finally we entered my password. It's configuring.
Wireless settings. Please wait.
Yeah, you can see it's showing like wireless settings. Please wait. It's configuring. Seems to my Wi-Fi. Actually, just we need to wait. It will take some time, guys. Okay, guys, finally it got configured and device is now added successfully. And you can choose a room, guys. Living room, study room, master bedroom, office, store. You can choose anything. Just for example, I'm selecting a living room. Just for example, just I'm clicking next. Okay, here you can see if you need means you can purchase a cloud storage, guys. It will save in cloud. Actually, you can see the plan is 999 rupees for 2 years. Actually, you can see the video saves for 3 days. Actually, the 3 days video footage you will get if you pay 999 means for 2 years. Actually, that's good. Okay, anyway, if you need means you can enable a cloud storage, guys, by paying. Okay, just I'm going to skip next. And okay, here you can see it's asking motion detection alert, app push alert message if you need. Okay, if you need means you can enable this, guys. That's it. And just click to save configuration. And here you can see it's showing actually here you can see it's showing just click to finish. Actually, finally devices got added. Just I'm going to open this footage. Here you can see, guys, actually device is in this direction. I'm moving my phone. Here you can see how clear it is. Actually, just I'm going to enable the full screen. Here you can see, guys, how is it, guys? Here you can see I'm showing my hand in front of this camera. Actually, hi, it's good. Actually, clarity is also good, guys. Actually, you can see it's awesome. Actually, it is in SD mode only. You can switch to HD also. Here you can see The colors looks very punchy. It's good. Clarity is also very good, guys. No issues in this. There's a mic is also there. You can speak through this. So just I'm going to rotate below. You can see the rotation is also good, guys. Actually, the response is also superb. No issues in this. And okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section, guys. Definitely I will reply. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. Let's say we'll see you in next video.